So guys, itatry na namin tong Hata Soda.
Hata!
So may marble daw siya sa loob. Actually, tinry namin to. Sobrang hirap buksan. So itatry namin siya ulit. So ayan.
This time only my mom is gonna try it because it took a long time before.
So it's like this. And then nandito yung marble sa inside, sa loob. Paano ba to, anak?
Oh, wait. I wanna try.
Here again, na.
Wait, no.
Have to remove it,
You
yes?
have to remove
Okay.
it.
Uy.
Yeah, like that.
Then, wait lang.
Cheers.
Oh, it's so
you
fast
did
now!
How?
That's it.
You did it so
Andiyan yung
easily.
marble inside. Then, paano ko i-open? Ay, open na pala to. Open na. So, para saan ba tong marble? What is it for, the marble?
It's to close it.
Really?
Mom, remember, you can put it like on this part.
Yes. Dito pala sa may... Yan. Ay, ganun pa.
Because you're putting it too much.
Oh, it's going out.
You're going too fast.
Like that. Para saan yun, diba? Parang, ano ba yan?
Can I try after?
I'll try it!
It's pink.
Ang sarap!
I wanna try it. Let me try.
Meron ako ditong pusa. Are you pusa o dog?
No.
Dog. How is it? Tell them.
Yes, I like it a lot.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
It's very refreshing.
tell them. Ano?
It's good. It doesn't taste like medicine.
Okay, bye!